Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use and download Signal app. So to download it in Android, go to Google Play Store, and on iPhone use App Store. Now after completing the installation process, click on Continue. Enter your mobile number. A 6-digit confirmation code will be sent to your mobile number. If you are using that SIM on phone you are about to use Signal, it will fill automatically. Now enter your first name along with the last name. Or you can set a profile picture as well. Create a PIN so that you can encrypt your information over Signal app. In the search box, enter number or name. If the person from your contact list is using the Signal app, you can simply chat with them. So this is how you can use Signal. Have any query, let me know in the comment section.